yeah, it's a good warehousing tool. Unboxing the Honeywell CK65 mobile PDT. This is the unit that has the flex range scan engine from Honeywell. So let's see what comes in the box. You have the compliance documents, you've got the device, and you have the battery. No way to charge the device in the box, so you got to remember to buy either a single bay cradle or a snap-on adapter to be able to plug into that and charge the device, or even a battery charger will work as well. As you can see, this unit has the alphanumeric keypad. There are a couple of options of keypads from Honeywell for the CK65, numeric and jumbo numeric, but the alphanumeric is the main configuration keyboard that we sell. It also has a 4-inch touchscreen. It's got outdoor visibility, so it's supposed to be super bright. This CK65 has actually got a really high drop rating at 2.4 meters. It can withstand multiple drops to concrete. You can see both sides. You've got trigger buttons for the scan engine. You've also got the guides for the docking when you need to charge the device. The battery well is where you'll find the serial number of the device. You also have the camera here, which is a 13 megapixel camera with the LED flash. And then if you look on the front here, the two sensors in the flex range scan engine. The two sensors really give this device the ability to scan at a close range and at a long range. So you're able to scan barcodes from 15 centimeters all the way out to 15 meters. If the barcode you're scanning at 15 meters is large enough to be able to be read, where you put the battery. I'll just chuck that in here. This battery is a 7,000 milliamp hour battery, which should be good for a full 8-hour shift at least. One of the beauties of this device as well is that it's got a hot swappable battery. So if the battery runs out, you've got 30 seconds to be able to swap it over to a battery that is charged. So I'll just power the device on so you can have a look at the display on. It's pretty bright. The device is pretty lightweight. It's around 500 grams. Yeah, it's a good warehousing tool. Runs Android and is on the Mobility Edge platform, so you're able to make sure that you've got support on your OS all the way out to Android R. But yeah, that's the device there. Just one more look, I guess, all around it. Oh, that scan engine again. Yeah, we'll have to demo the actual scanner. Okay, just showing how the CK65 flex range scan engine can scan from my side close and actually all the way back. Ooh. Yeah, the range we're getting on that bike, but pretty good.